share Spotify on Instagram story with music. For that you have to select the Spotify song that you want to add on your Instagram story with music. Once you have selected, at the bottom right corner, as you can see the share button, you need to simply tap on it, and here you need to tap on stories. So the Spotify looks like this on the Instagram story. You can also add stickers or text on it. Then after that you can tap on your story button at the bottom left corner of the screen and easily share Spotify on the Instagram story. So if you want to share Spotify on Instagram story with music as well, you can simply tap on this play button at the center of the screen and record the song, and easily do the same process and share the Spotify on Instagram story with music which you have recorded with the song as well. So that's how we easily share Spotify on Instagram story with music. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.